naman ang mag-aakala na babalik sa smartphone game si Cherry Mobile. It wasn't too long ago when they pivoted to smart home and AIoT, pero mukhang wala pa ring plano si Cherry Mobile na mag-retire sa paglabas ng mga Android smartphones. This time, dalawa ang in-announce nila, no? Ang 11999 na Aqua GR at 7999 na Aqua S11 Pro. Today, hyper-focus tayo sa Aqua S11 Pro since ito ang pinadala nila sa atin. Let's get started. Ito ang Cherry Mobile Aqua S11 Pro. Quick overview lang tayo. May Helio G99 processor, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gig of internal storage, 33 watts charging, 64 megapixel AI triple rear camera, meron ding 16 megapixel front camera at AMOLED display. We will go deep dive sa full review natin soon, pero we'll go through this in this video. Let's first do a quick unboxing. Here's everything you're going to find inside its box. Syempre, the phone, may documentations, SIM ejector tool, meron ding silicone case, 33 watts charger, earbuds, at cable. That's everything you need to know inside the box. Hanga rin ako dito kay Cherry Mobile kasi hanggang ngayon, kumpleto pa rin yung laman ng box nila. Kudos kay Cherry for this one. Okay, so pag-usapan naman natin ngayon ang processor. This is powered by a MediaTek Helio G99 chipset na may 2.2 GHz na octa-core CPU. You also get an 8 gigs of RAM na pwede mo i-extend up to 16 gigs via virtual memory. Meron tong 256 gig of internal storage na may UFS 2.2 configuration. So far, solid naman yung performance niya for its price, and based on our synthetic benchmark, kaya nitong makipagsabayan sa ibang mga Helio G99 powered smartphones. Pagdating naman sa gaming, expect this to perform as expected sa mga Helio G99 smartphones. Okay to low to medium settings, pero mag-expect ka na 60 FPS lang yan all the way. No? Not maybe all games, but some of the games that you're usually playing. Some mobile games like Genshin Impact and Honkai Star Rails are playable, pero maglalaro lang ito sa 30 to 38 FPS. Diablo Immortal plays decent on this device too. Torchlight Infinite performs well since hindi naman ganun ka-demanding itong game na to, no, compared to the Diablo Immortal. When it comes to design, very elegant looking ang Aqua S11 Pro. Yung likod niya has this matte texture pero very smooth yung pagka-matte niya. Very thin na rin yung bezels ng display niya, which I will go through later. And then also, yung kanyang punch hole camera naman is here at the middle. Walang ibang gimmick yung punch hole camera, unlike other smartphones right now na meron parang cutout that changes in sizes, pwede maging oblong, saka makapag-display ng contextual information. There's nothing you can find in this phone. Sa ilalim, meron tong 3.5mm headphone jack at saka yung Type-C port niya. Overall, solid ang kanyang build, no? Mukhang matibay at hindi ganun kadaling mag-flex. Pagdating naman ng design ng camera, no, you have 3 camera setup right here. There's also a flash on the right side. No? Hindi ganun kakapal din yung pinaka-cutout niya. Pagdating naman sa camera, no, which I think is one of the highlights of this product, meron itong 64 megapixel main camera with AI enhancements. Wala itong OIS, no, pero okay naman ang stabilization using EIS. Maganda kumuha ang Aqua S11 Pro for its price. Good for landscape at saka portrait. Hindi naman perfect ang implementation ng portrait niya, no, at NI or it needs improvement, no, ang kanyang bokeh. Pero maayos naman tingnan, which is something na kaparehas ng ilang mga phones na nasubukan ko dati using the same chipset and the same sensors. Meron nitong 108 megapixel mode na gumagamit ng pixel binning technology para makakuha ng mas maraming detalye per pixel. Halos 12 megabytes ang isang photo na ginamitan ng 108 megapixels. Now in terms of battery, meron itong 5,000 mAh capacity. Supported rin ang 33 watts fast charging na kasama sa loob ng box. I will have a more thorough view of its battery life kapag nilabas ko na ang full review on our website. Since kakakuha ko lang to yesterday, I didn't have that much time to actually go around and test fully the battery. And usually naman, 2 weeks ang testing time pagdating sa battery. So, lalabas yan sa full review. Pagdating naman sa ibang mga features, hindi rin tinipid ni Cherry Mobile ito, no? Meron siyang on-display fingerprint scanner, may NFC, dual SIM with SD card support, at 3.5mm headphone jack. Ngayon, base sa naging short experience ko, recommendable ba ang Cherry Mobile Aqua S11 Pro? Sa presyong $7,999, I believe na kayang lumaban ito sa ilang mga products from other Chinese brands. Pinakamalapit, kagaya sabi ko kanina, na kalaban nito ay ang Infinix Note 30 4G, which currently retails for $7,799. Mas mura ito ng 200 pesos. You get almost the same specs, maybe performance, at saka 1-year warranty with the Infinix Note 30 4G. Aqua S11 Pro has 18 months of warranty at 128 days na replacement guarantee kung may makita kayong sira sa phone na bibili nyo. I'm sure na magiging patok ito sa mga parokyano ng Cherry Mobile. Pero para sa mga nasanay na sa mga Chinese brands, mapapaisip sila kung tatalon uli sila sa isang local brand gaya ng Cherry. Now, if there's one thing I would like to share, I'm happy that Cherry Mobile is doing its best to stay relevant sa industry. Isang homegrown at local brand ang Cherry. At sure ako na marami sa inyo ang nakabili na ng phone nila, even before the Chinese brands came in. Perhaps, some of you probably had a Cherry Mobile phone as their first smartphone. Let me know in the comments section below kung handa ka nang yakapin uli si Cherry. That's it for our video today. I hope you guys learned a lot from this video. If you haven't subscribed to our page or channel, of course, this is the best time to do so. I put out about 2 to 3 videos per week here on YouTube about tech, gadgets, and even video games. This has been Gian. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!